This is Martin Lappin with Alternative Heating Solutions. One thing we commonly hear is people don't want to go to a gas-firing stove because of the maintenance involved. Here you can see I just did the only daily maintenance required. Pull the handle on the side 5 times and you're good to go. Here I just opened the smoke bypass. Wait a bit, crack the door, wait another few seconds, then we'll go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and shut the bypass off. We'll open the lower and clean the ashes out. Normally I do this weekly. However, this time I let it go 2 weeks so we can just see how easy it still is to do it. The L-shaped tool I'm using here is no longer needed on the new G Series, as they have a deflector built into the rear to get your fly ash to either side. Here I'm going to use the other tool that's included with the stove. This fits the shape of the lower refractory, and this is how we clean the ash out of it. Again, on the newer ones, there's a deflector at the rear. This only tool you'll need. You can clean the entire lower reaction chamber from the single front door. Here we'll finish cleaning the other side of it with the L-shaped tool. Normally I like to do my cleaning right before it starts an air cycle. That way all the refractories had time to cool off and any buildup gas can dissipate. And this is all there is to the daily and weekly maintenance. I did both in the length of this video, which is less than 4 minutes. This is Martin Lappin with Alternative Heating. If the women don't find you attractive, at least they can find you handy.